Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix FaceTime waiting for activation on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you open the FaceTime and you see that there is written FaceTime waiting for activation. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings. And this time, what you have to do, you have to simply go to general. And after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network setting, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. And this time, what you have to do, you have to simply look for FaceTime. So how you can find it? For this, you have to simply go to apps, and after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of FaceTime here. So here you can simply see that there is no option available as FaceTime activation. So if you want to activate your FaceTime, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have turned on this toggle. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some time so that your FaceTime activates and activated. So you have to simply wait for some time so that your FaceTime has been activated. And after that, what you have to do, you have simply go back and you have to try to check whether now your FaceTime is working properly or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply restart your iPhone. And after that, if you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is again occurring, then what you have to do, you have to simply contact the Apple support and you have to tell the Apple store what is the problem with you, and after that they will get you a solution. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.